Friends. This is my first ever video. I was pondering to do this for so many days, and today it is happening. I'm so glad to do this. And while starting, I'm not sure what to speak and what to convey. So I would like to say my experience here. You all know that my experience, even though I would like to introduce myself before starting moving further. So I'm Mahalakshmi. I am from Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. My native place is Salem, Mathur. My village name is Madakumarai. I did my master's in engineering in computer science department. I was a lecturer for 4 years. Afterwards, I was a banker in a nationalized bank for almost 12 years. I am a mom to two kids, two daughters. I have two princes, and they are my angels. And while doing this, I'm in my native. I quit my job due to my family responsibility, and I was feeling frustrated, melancholic, and even disheartened during that time. And it was my daughter who encouraged me to start something, to learn something. So I decided. So I asked her, "Shall we start a YouTube channel for my English learning?" And she said, yes, you should improve it and you should start it." And she's also asking me to do some shots. And my younger one is also asking, "Amma, shall we do some shots by saying A, starting letter words A? From that, we'll do some letters, words." So we have that plan also. We'll do it shortly. And why I'm doing this solo video here is just I want to say that if we are in a position to leave something that is not the end, then after doing that, we should not simply blame ourselves, blame others because of our decision. We have to move forward and we should find something which is intriguing us to move forward. It should fascinate us. And nowadays, I'm feeling that I am indulging in English learning. Whenever I find time, I just take a book and start reading. I don't consider about anyone around me. And whenever I go to anywhere also, 4 days or 5 days ago, I went to bank. There, I started writing something on my note. Everyone started looking at me in different way, but I did not bother about anyone. So I want my work to be done. I want to learn something instead of watching something on my mobile. And that was a bank, so I did not get the opportunity to talk to my neighbors or other customers. So I was doing my work. And yesterday I went to hospital. Also, I took a book and a note along with it. Unfortunately, the doctor was not there. It's okay. So it is up to us. We should not think about others, what they would think of me if I have a book and start reading, and if I write something on my note. So it is up to us. We should think something that I have to utilize this time effectively and efficiently. If you have that thought in your mind, you will not think of anyone. You will always think of grooming yourself in English language. Is when before 2 years I was doing so many exercises in mobile, and not only in mobile, I write those exercises on my note, and whenever I find time, I just solve that exercises. And I used to substitute some other words and in that fill-ups. Afterwards, I tried to make some sentences related to that sentences. Like that, I was doing before 2 years, and I was even checking my level. Like, was I in a basic level, intermediate level, and I was asking myself, how can I improve further, and what should I do to move myself forward? I should actually stretch my boundaries. And if I say that listening is all that alone is important, that is enough. No, actually that is important, but we have to do something rather than listening alone. So I have decided to do something apart from writing, apart from listening. So yesterday, no, I have been doing this thing for a couple of months. I have started writing journals. and have started writing vocabs along with its meanings in my native language and the example sentences. And whenever I find time, I make sure that I'm using that word in my regular conversations. Like this, I have been learning so many words. But if you ask me to say some words in this conversation, in this solo video, I don't think that I'll be using all these words in this because I'm not into that much. I know certain words, I know some meanings of that words. I'm not into practice by using those words. So in order to do that, I do need so many practices and I have to dwell on those words while moving here and there also. But let us see, it will happen. Everything is going to happen because of our practice. So the hope, the faith, confidence, courage, everything we should have on ourselves, and we can achieve whatever we want, and that is within us. And I decided not to use any advanced words here, but let us see. Even without using the advanced word, am I able to convey what I'm trying to say? I have decided to do this in the morning. So let us see. After learning something, first of all, I will tell what to do and what not to do. If you say that if you think that okay, I have listened so many hours in a day, that is enough. No, that is not only enough. Okay, if you listen, you'll come to know how are they saying something, and how do you want to actually say something. But when you speak out, when you speak something, then you will come to know how to pronounce that word, articulate the intonation, the syllabification of that particular word. But don't get what to say, intimidate. I'm not intimidating you. I'm not threatening you by saying all this. Okay, it is actually a piece of cake, and when you indulge yourself in this learning, it will come to you automatically because we have started already. It would be difficult for those who are in the beginning stage and who are actually wanted to learn something. I think everyone is aware of English knowledge nowadays. So everyone actually tends to learn something on their own. So it would be easy for us. And we have already started spending so many hours for this learning. Am I correct? Now we have to do it in particularly. Like whatever we are learning, we are just okay. I have learned this thing today. No, next thing I will do, I will listen some other thing. I have learned this thing. No, we have to make it progress in a productive way. See, whatever you learned, just make a note of it, write something on your own, and write some reviews on your own. Then speak on that story on your own. Then you'll come to know from where you are making mistake and which area you should develop, which area you have to rectify. And what you should not do is, you should not think that okay, I have learned so many things, that is enough. No, that should not be happened. Actually, we have to learn for our lifelong process. If you ask, can I master English within 3 months? No, it's not going. It's not going to happen. We cannot master any language within 3 months, within a month, 2 months, or 6 months. It would take nearly 4 to 5 hours if you want to master it and if you want to speak spontaneously without any grammatical errors. Okay, let it be. But have that full energy, courage, confidence to learn something. And I don't know whether you all like it or not, but if you all like it, I will do this type of uh, this type of videos in future also. Thank you so much for your listening, and I would like to get feedbacks and comments from you all. Thank you so much.